Article 1582, vendee is bound to accept delivery and to pay the price of the thing sold at the time and place stipulated in the contract. Pertinent rules: in a contract of sale, the vendor is not required to deliver the thing sold until the price is paid, nor the vendee to pay the price before the thing is delivered in the absence of an agreement to the contrary. So agadanay silang duha, si vendee ang si vendor. So example, Pogi sold to Gapo a specific furniture for 20,000 pesos, is not bound to deliver uh, the, furn- the furniture by Guapo. Neither is Guapo required to pay 20,000 pesos until delivery by Pogi. So, from the moment either party performs his obligation, the other must comply with his part. Otherwise, he will be guilty of delay. So next, if stipulated, then the vendee is bound to accept delivery and to pay the price at the time and place designated. So if it is been stipulated, Guapo must accept the furniture and pay the price at the house of Pogi on November 30. So if it is stipulated, there must be a definite time agreed. So example is, if Guapo must accept the furniture and pay the price at the house of Pogi on November 30, then Guapo is bound to accept the delivery and to pay the price on November 30 at the house of Pogi. If the time and place should not have been stipulated, the payment must be made at the time and place of the delivery of the thing sold. Rule 3. If there is no stipulation as to the time and place of the payment and delivery, the vendee is bound to pay at the time and place of delivery. So, sample of this as to the time and place of delivery to pay. So, if there is no stipulation as to the time and place of delivery, and sample of this, Pogi delivers the furniture at the house of Guapo on November 30, then Guapo is bound to accept the furniture and to pay the price at the same time and place. Fourth, in the absence of stipulation as to the place of delivery, it shall be made whenever the thing might be at the moment the contract was perfected. So, so if there is also no stipulation as to the place of delivery, the furniture at the house of Guapo, because in such case, the place of delivery shall be where the furniture is, because in such case, the place of delivery shall be where the furniture was, at the moment of the contract was perfected. So if if it was at the house of Pogi at the time, then this is the place of delivery and also the place of the payment. Kung baga, sa layman's term pa, kaliwaan. Fifth rule, if only the time for delivery of the thing sold has been fixed in the contract, the vendee is required to pay even before the thing is delivered to him. This is an example of a pre-order sale. So if the obligation of Pogi to deliver is subject to a period which is which has not yet arrived or determined. So Guapo is bound to pay even before the furniture is delivered to him. So on the other hand, if the sale is on credit or sabi saya pa utang, Guapo is entitled to deliver though the price may not be paid during the time of uh, Guapo order the furniture. Uh, that's all. Thank you.